The secret to greatly improving your Spanish is learning the vowels and the alphabet. This will help you read and pronounce almost any word. Spanish vowels are very easy. There are only 5, and each vowel always sounds the same. That's what makes Spanish easier than English.
Las vocales.
In Spanish, we have 5 vowels.
A, E, I, O, U.
Let's go one by one. The vowel A sounds like A.
La vocal A suena A. Ejemplos: casa, mamá. Casa, mamá, mamá. Casa, mamá.
The vowel E sounds like E.
La vocal E suena E. Ejemplos: elefante, bebé. Elefante, elefante, bebé, bebé.
The vowel I sounds like E.
La vocal I suena I. Ejemplos: sí, sí, sí. Infinito, 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 infinito.
The vowel O sounds like O.
La vocal O suena O. Ejemplos: oso, sol. Oso, oso, oso. Sol, sol, sol.
The vowel U sounds like U.
La vocal U suena U. Ejemplos: no, no. Uva, uva, uva. Uno, uva. Uno, uva. Uno, uva. Práctica final. A, E, I, O, U. A, casa. A, casa, casa. Mesa. Mesa, mesa. Vino. 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 O, sol. O, sol. O, sol. Luna. 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 Luna.
Now, let's test what you learned. I'll put the vowels randomly on the screen, and you have to pronounce them correctly before I do. Are you ready? Let's go.
A,
Like father.
O,
Like more.
I,
Like see.
U.
Like food.
E,
Like elephant. Great job. Now you know the Spanish vowels. This is the first step to speaking Spanish with confidence.